Online element identification can be enabled to identify elements in spectra as they are required. To demonstrate this, we will first open the element identification module to configure the identification parameters. As an example, we will configure the module to look for all available elements in the periodic table using the default analysis parameters. To enable online identification, this checkbox needs to be ticked. Once the parameters have been configured and online identification enabled, the element identification module can be closed. As a result of enabling online identification, a table is displayed to the right of the acquired spectrum display. This one here. And this table is used to display the results of the element identification. We can then acquire spectra using libsoft in the normal way. We're going to use a sample of brass and fire 20 conditioning shots, 10 accumulation shots, 1 spectrum and just 1 measurement. We can then initiate the acquisition. Flash lamps are started. Conditioning shots are fired, followed by the acquisition shots. And in the analysis results we can see that argon, copper and zinc have been detected, whereas most other elements have not been. If the number of measurements is then increased, for example to specify a 3x3 raster scan of the sample, then the screen is updated to display the element identification and peak intensity maps below the table of identification results. If we then initiate another acquisition, the 3x3 raster scan of measurements is initiated, and the table of results, the identification map and the intensity map are updated as each measurement is acquired and analysed. The saved spectra can be loaded directly into the element identification module to reanalyze them using a different configuration or to map a different element if required.